Hello, my name is Ankush Pandit and I'm a senior engineer at Cerner Corporation located here in Kansas City in USA. Cerner Corporation is a Fortune 500 company that is responsible for EHR management software that is used throughout the health systems and hospitals throughout the world. They really help physicians and nurses to help take care of the patients. I personally work on a team that is responsible to create a DICOM viewer that helps cardiologists, radiologists, and physicians to look at CT scans, X-rays, and different echocardiogram. I've been working for Cerner for about 7 years. Before that, I used to work for a company called as Datacom Systems, where we would manufacture equipment for different stock exchanges throughout the world. For example, New York Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, and etc. In total, I have about 10 years of experience in software industry here in US, and Rungta College of Engineering and Technology has been a big contributor towards my success. I joined Rungta College of Engineering Technology back in 2003 and I graduated in 2007. Throughout my journey in RCET, the management and faculties were really supportive and help understand the different subjects and challenges that were in front of us and help us go through them, and they also make sure that we were successful in doing so. While studying at Rungta, my favorite subjects were computer graphics, computer networks, automata, and microprocessor, to name a few. As a computer science major, I was really happy with the facilities that we had. We had rows and rows of computer labs, which we use for collaborating on our C and Java code, creating some mobile applications. That was really new area at that point of time, and our faculties were always supportive and help us get through these challenges. We were also asked to work on Rungta Infotech. While studying, we were trained in two technologies, Brew and J2ME. We actually created a game that was written in C++ using Brew technology. It was called a C driver, and our faculty actually helped us contribute a great deal of our code and creativity towards that project. Overall, we were really impressed with how the project came out to be, and it actually became a talking point in all the interviews that I've given so far in my software companies. The other thing that we did was vocational training over there. When we went to BSNL for doing a vocational training, our team was one of the teams that were the first to deploy broadband internet in different households in Durbhilai area, and that also became a talking point in my interviews throughout my experience over here. With co-curricular activities, we were asked to co-create a magazine at that point of time called as Eager Young Engineers, where the management helped us work on subscription, content, formatting, distribution, and it became a really good platform for people to show their creativity, software-wise, writing a new poem or whatever the content can be. That became a platform for distributing that content. Once I was in my final year, Rungta College of Engineering Technology brought in some companies, helped work with some companies to get some placement. I remember during my time, TCS and Satyam Computers were the two companies that came in. I got selected in Satyam Computers, and I could have gone and joined them, but also the faculties at college encouraged me to do some further studies. So I applied to different universities here in US. These faculty members were really good because they helped me prepare letter of recommendations, and they helped creating these letter of recommendations for each and every college, and that made my experience really smooth to apply to these US universities. I picked State University of New York to pursue my master's in computer science. And once I started working over there, once I started my coursework over there, I soon realized that all the work that we have done at Rungta College and all the fundamentals that were instilled in us in Rungta College were all applicable, and all we need to do is to understand the subject further and not waste our time in getting those fundamentals. I really found my friends struggling with that, but Rungta College made me helped me to get those fundamentals right that I still use to date. Overall, my experience with Rungta College and Rungta College of Engineering Technology has been really great. I'm still in touch with my friends whom I studied with over there, and the faculty members. We still share our experiences. Thank you.